Welcome AutoCAD users. Today, we'll explore how to use the APPLOAD command in AutoCAD, a powerful tool for managing custom applications and LISP routines. What is APPLOAD command? The APPLOAD command allows you to load and unload applications in AutoCAD, giving you control over which applications are available at startup. Loading applications. To load an application, follow these steps. Type APPLOAD in the command line and hit enter. Select the application file you want to load. Click the Load button and close. And that's it, your application has been loaded. Adding applications to Startup Suite. To load applications automatically at startup, click the Contents button in the Startup Suite section. Add your application or LISP file. Loaded application will be saved automatically. Close the Startup Suite and restart AutoCAD. That's it. With the APPLOAD command, you can efficiently manage custom applications and LISP routines in AutoCAD. Subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Before I proceed, do you have any specific requirements or questions regarding the APPLOAD command or LISP routines in AutoCAD? Write in the comment section. Thanks for watching.